here. Here we go. That's right. It's time for another unboxing. This time it is the Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Stealth Edition Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Quite a handful of sentence there. Okay, let's be quick about this. If you do have any interest in looking at this kind of a keyboard, the gaming keyboards are basically just a little bit different from a normal keyboard in the sense that they are supposed to last a lot longer, be a little bit more on the precision side, and of course this one has macro buttons. So if I can just hurry up and get this box opened up here. Some of the features of this thing is it says it has fully programmable keys plus 5 additional gaming keys with the one touch on the fly macro settings. Okay, you know what? That's why I have this X-Acto knife and I'm not even using it. Alright, let's get this thing open here. Oh, let's see what it looks like. Oh, so beautiful. It has easy access keys for media control and volume and media playback. And of course what I really like is it's got that nice green backlit to it. So let's just take it out of this box right here. Get it out of its Razer package here. They've got this nice little official Razer little sheet that goes over it there. That's how you know it comes from the right place. And we're just going to get rid of that over there in the box. Okay, so there it is. We have the Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Stealth Keyboard right here in its box still. Of course, we got it in English. And we've also got the really nice orange keys, and that's opposed to the green keys, which take about 50 grams of actuation force. These take 45 grams, I'm sorry, 45 grams of actuation force to push these ones down. Alright, here we have the back, and it shows you what's going on here with the switches, little diagram explaining what's going on. The differences between the orange switch and of course the green switches is that the orange switch is supposed to be stealthy. It does not have the reset on it where the other one does. This one does have the nice green backlit option, which is just great because it matches most every single Razer product out there. The Chroma keyboard is about $100 more, and it just has the RGB, which if it's necessary to you, go for it. But personally, I don't mind too much, so I'm just going with this one. It is pretty. It is very pretty in its case. Alright, take it out here. Got a nice plastic cover which keeps the dust out of your keyboard. Man, I might just hold this guy, hold on to this guy. Nice to keep the dust off your computer. Wow, the keyboard just looks beautiful. It looks rugged, it does not look cheap at all, and it almost looks like the backlit green almost has kind of a brightness to it, so it seems like it's almost kind of on already. I really like the weight of it, and I can't wait to get it out and actually turn it on and try it out. Let's see what this is here. I did hear a lot of people talking online about having problems when they push down on the buttons. They would have issues with the buttons going twice or too many times. I think that's more of a problem with their setup. This is just a box so that you can put your fingers in it, and then you can put your other finger in that one, and then you can put your finger in this one, and then you can try to figure out why in the hell this box exists. Oh, so you've got your Razer software. Of course, you need to have 100 megabytes of hard disk space for this stuff. Before we finish pulling the keyboard out, let's just see what this has. For gamers, by gamers. Of course, it's Pro Gamer certified, so open. Oh, your usual Razer insignia, instruction booklet, and of course, stickers! Everybody loves their Razer stickers. Alright, so when you pull it out, you see that you've got a really nice braided cable here. It's a lot stronger than just your average cable. Plus, not only do you have a USB pass-through, but you've got your audio hookups, your headphone jack pass-through, as well as you've got a nice mic pass-through. So you can hook up your mics, you can hook up your headphones, and of course you can hook up other USB devices through the keyboard itself. And those are located right here on the side. Make that look a little nicer. As you can see right there, USB pass-through. This is just a 2.0. If you do go with the 2016 model of this, which is about $30 more, you can get the USB 3.0 pass-through. So if you do want that 3.0 pass-through, about $30 right there. But of course, for about $15, you can get a double USB 3.0 pass-through through the back of your computer. So just think about the prices there, what it's worth to you. All right, so there it is. That is the BlackWidow Ultimate Stealth Edition keyboard, and I can't wait to get it hooked up, test it out, and I'll let you guys know how it actually runs and performs. Hopefully you'll get plenty of footage to see how this bad boy looks in action, and you can just see for yourself that it is just a really high quality piece of equipment. And if you're really into your computer and of course gaming, it's just a great keyboard to have. For a long time I've been using a wireless Logitech, and I love Logitech, but the problem with those keyboards is that you know, wireless just doesn't work in the world of gaming. This one does. Thanks for watching. Till next time.